Alright, we are back again, issue 109. This time we're going to be installing the time-filled generator and some cabling. Going to go right there, cable around there. This ought to be nice and fun. Hopefully everyone is having a good middle part of your week. Going to open this up with the Kershaw Oh So Sweet. Shout out to Jeff Rooney. I need to sharpen my Kershaw Oh So Sweet, obviously. But he just got in some Metallica posters, limited edition, or a limited run, or whatever. One of them was Boss Hogg, too. But he opened it up with his Kershaw Oh So Sweet. I know, these sweet stories. Okay, we got a couple of wires here. We're going to take the longer of the two, and these things are plastic, but they're supposed to simulate some thicker cabling, so we're going to take the longer one here, and looks like we are going to need to tie them together. So we got some more of this craptastic cable tie. Snip some bits off here and get her done.
Tuesday, 4:17 p.m. You there? Oh, guess not. Talk to you later. Bye.
Alright, time-filled generator is installed with some wiring. In the back here we have, talks about the train, you know, when they went back to the Old West, and some of this was filmed in reverse, the part where the Delorean actually pops a wheelie because of the train going faster. They filmed some of that in reverse just to make the stunt, because Marty was actually, or Michael J. Fox actually doing some of those stunts, I guess, and they wanted to do it in reverse in case something happened and the DeLorean derailed. You know, it wouldn't run over him or whatever. So they kind of did it in reverse. That's kind of be interesting to see how it was originally filmed, but just to make it safer. Ooh, and there's his Toyota. Probably not showing up in this lighting, but okay, 109 in the books. Get a little up close. I will have to feather dust this whole car. It just attracts dust like nobody's business, but there's a time-filled generator feeding all that time-filled energies up from the flux capacitor, doing its thing down the cabling, and whoppity doo dah. Moving on. Boom. Ooh. Next issue, a tire. Can't wait.